everyone, welcome back to yet another video, and today we are diving into one of the most powerful and versatile scale in music, the Dorian scale. This video is actually a request from Box Gadget. Last video he put a comment, can you please give a tutorial on Dorian concept, request as a big fan. So I had to make it happen. So if you are into blues, rock, jazz or fusion, this scale, the Dorian mode, is absolutely game changer for you. So let's not waste any time and let's break it down. So what exactly is the Dorian scale? It's a really basic and simple scale to play. So if you take a major scale and start from the second note instead of the root, then you get the Dorian mode. For example, if you play the C major scale, but instead of playing from C, you start from the D, then you get the Dorian scale. Absolutely simple. So the notes will be first, second, flat third, fourth, fifth, then major 6 and flat 7. So that flat third is giving the minor feel, but the regular sixth makes it different from the regular minor scale. Also, if you guys new in my channel, then myself Suraj, and I'm a guitar player, full-time musician, and I share all my experience with you to help you grow as a musician. And if you found my videos helpful, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos in the future. So the Dorian scale has really cool jazzy and bluesy sound. It's often used in funk, fusion, even in rock music. So that's major 6th note is what makes this scale sounds really interesting. And now the thing is how to use the Dorian scale when you are soloing. So a great way to start by improvising over a chord progression where the fourth chord is a major or dominant 7. For example, in D Dorian, the G7, a common chord progression would be D minor 7 and G dominant 7. Let's see some of the examples. Okay, so I'm gonna play the D Dorian scale all over the fretboard so you can get a basic idea of it. So let's start. Okay, so that's the Dorian scale I played all over the fretboard. I hope you get the idea. So now let's try to build a solo over this scale on a basic chord progression. So that's the basic example. How can you improvise over a simple chord progression? It's a D minor 7 and G7. So it's a basic chord progression to exercise you can do to improve your Dorian playing. So I'll try one more time. Gives the difference when you hit the major 6. That's the difference between regular minor and the Dorian scale. also you can do one thing. You can play C major scale. Try to think it's a C major scale. So when you are improvising, you can think it's a C major scale, but without the root. So this way you can exercise the Dorian scale. I hope you understand it well. Okay, that's the basic D Dorian for you. You can instantly hear the classic sound. Also, you can mix it up with minor pentatonic, give it more spice to it. It can give more subject to your licks when you mix it up with minor pentatonic. So yeah, try it. Our basic simple chord progression like D minor 7 and D dominant 7. It will improve your improvisation skill. So give it a try. That's the basic idea of Dorian scale. And I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give it a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section what scale or concept you want me to break down next. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.